And reset all.
Yeah, in a second.
By the way, we're on Raiders.
Ended.
Yeah, we're on Raiders.
By the way, don't tell me we're gonna do a fourth one.
No,
No.
this is last.
Oh
The
yeah.
last one. It's the best of 3. Oh my god, they're under rallying. Kill them.
Oh my god, this is so easy.
No,
Take it.
don't.
Just wait until you see the
Bro,
kills.
no, if it's out now, if the enemy's outnumbered, be scared. That's what we did to the 30 people, bro.
Why is
Me
my pistol like
remembering
this?
the
Why is it in my armpit? Or
Why
it's
is it
what?
clipping to
decimals?
my skin.
What the fuck is that decimal?
Why is the pistol?
It's technically
What is that
34
kills? Bro, what are those kills?
Jagers spread out.
No,
I
don't.
math
We're gonna.
for just a battle. I don't do math for battles. What is
Okay,
this
they're all on the
skill?
right side. They're all on the right side. Intercept them to the right. Intercept them to the right. Intercept them in the jungle. Intercept them in the jungle.
I might as well.
Intercept them in the jungle. Head the right. Head the right. Intercept them. Intercept. Intercept.
Become Delorax.
They're going hard flank.
Yeah, they're
Yes,
trying to
spawn.
hard flank.
Get inside
If
the
they
tree.
get to our right of spawn, they're just gonna camp it. So don't let them do that. Just hard the right. Intercept them. If you get some easy shots, go ahead. Be my guest.
Sorry.
Will they do the funny circling again?
Yeah, they're doing the
Guys-
funny circling again.
Guys,
Maybe
get
don't
into trace.
chase.
And they do a perfect circle.
Guys, get into
Don't
trace
push
to
them
cover now.
directly. Do
One
not
range,
push them
one range,
directly.
one range,
Do we
one
chase
range.
them or no?
No, we intercept them.
Be
Erica, let that
Delorax.
straggler go. Let that straggler go. I'll look out to your right, Erica.
I'll spawn camp them.
Get behind me,
Okay.
get behind me. Send,
Alright,
send,
come on,
send, send, get behind me.
Should have got that 2 days HP.
Nope, that's it. Behind me,
Got
right
one?
behind me.
Okay.
Bro, standard. Look at my pistol.
Bro.
I'm spawn camping right now.
Hold on.
Dude, serious? Serious?
One of them's going to our
85
left.
damage. Oh my god.
And I can't even snipe with this pistol.
Wait, Sam, hold this tree. I want to fall back.
You can watch my stream for extra info
And I died. Wow.
on their positions.
Oh,
Yeah, they're still all on the right side, but there's some guys spawning.
On
oh,
Bro deceased.
oh my gosh, bro. We're losing. Let's go.
no, don't worry. Just a small gap.
Those guys being clubbed up on the left side now. Don't spread out. Head to the right. 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 Into the jungle. Don't clump up into that 1-3.
364 ms. Pretty average.
Hmm.
But wait, it's still smooth for me.
Wait, what's studs?
Where are they?
I
Oh,
can't
I
really
see them.
confirm that.
Take the shot, take the shot. They're falling back from the right. They're falling back from the right.
Nice.
Shot.
I got MOC.
Nice.
I
Oh, that's all of them on the right. Right side's
flanked.
clear. Go push them back at spawn. Push them back at spawn. Right side's clear. Right side's clear. Go push them back at spawn. Go. Go, 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 go.
Prayer alarms, guys.
Team wipe on Tomato Town.
On the road, on the road.
Don't
Nice.
clump up, spread out. Don't clump up, spread out.
Nice,
Don't clump up,
nice.
spread out,
Here.
spread out, spread out, spread out, spread out.
If you can pick that guy off on the road, nice shot.
This
Pick him off.
bro, the pistol's broken.
I almost got
Just
a
the
guy.
enemies.
That's just pistol in general.
Oh, he doesn't have a shot. Oh.
If I
If
fit
they're
it,
in
I
this
could.
spawn, if they're in this spawn, they might as well just pull.
Counting a couple bodies in the middle. I'll fall back. Oh god. Oh god, I have a couple.
Pushing left side.
I'm drawing their file. I'm drawing their file. Push left side. Maybe you can flank them.
Yeah, pushing left side.
Got one.
Nice.
The one that rocks there, Mikkel. Is that Mikkel?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No.
It's the kill
Fucking
streak
clutch it,
5
bro.
or 3.
I finally know
Yes.
my champ.
Wow.
Zane, more like Zan.
There's no one guy on the rock. Don't bait him, don't bait him. Spread out, spread out, spread out, spread out. Don't get clumped up, spread out. Ah, GG.
Throw the cease to him.
Terrain again. I love terrain.
Exactly.
So
bro. Oh
rain.
shit.
I have a 100%
Why
One
does
guy is
it-
a
kill on terrain.
goddamn nice shot.
Why is rain so hard as lead?
This guy missed. You're dead. It's mozzarella
Lead
cheese.
poised on them.
Just hold it the right side up. Good kills.
Are they in their spawn? Because I only count like
Yeah,
two
they're
people.
all in their spawn. Yeah, they're all in their spawn.
I'll go flank left. Because no one else wants to.
By the way, get your own rock base.
John Rocks.
1v1 guy. That's a rule.
It's like you guys like the seal from that movie Dory. My rock. Not your rock. My rock. Get off. What was his name? It was like, get off the rock, man. And then when they run on the rock, it's like,
Don't clump up into that one rock. Don't clump up into one rock.
Get your own rock base.
I will not die. Touch it. I go flank on the left, and I go shoot them in their spawn.
Nice kill.
I need cover. No, never mind. He's dead.
Zane, I'm coming now.
Oh.
You are covered.
Oh, don't
Go hard to cover, bro.
Inhales
I'm
10
gonna
shots.
die.
I need that trip.
I'm so tired, and then there's a BHA fucking internal an hour. Let me sleep, god damn it. Let me sleep.
Sage, can you heal me, please? There's a viper.
My brow.
I got a kill.
Every
Zane,
every
it's
single time,
660
Nice
studs
kill.
from Yell. Zane,
I'm
it's
going to be
660
fine.
studs.
every single time I get a kill, I do 10 push-ups.
Chad right
So
Sorry,
there.
that's
now.
why you're so buff.
I'm gonna
Exactly.
ask Monica about something later.
I'm
Anyway,
actually gonna do that. I'm
Who
actually
is
gonna do that
Monica?
just for the sake of it.
I don't know, bro. He's cracked right now.
The guy who carried in last round. Or something like that.
Alright, one kill. let me start my push-ups. Hold on.
Finally, a rock that is
Alright,
fake.
I'm gonna go ahead. Getting pushed up.
I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die.
One,
I'm at their spawn, bro.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Got him. I'm gonna die tonight. I'm gonna die tonight.
I'm gonna cover
And if you
you.
want to, just call me.
Push up first.
Nice shot.
I'm gonna do that.
I just hit a nice 725 studs shot.
Nice, nice, nice.
I missed. Oh, okay.
Yep,
You have
Doge, come here, Doge, come here. Get your ass. Yeah. Bro, what, huh? I'm like,
Nice one,
leg,
okay,
leg.
Rape them.
Let's go.
Oh, no. Got him, I'm running. Oh, man. Okay.
I don't want a death.
Again.
Every single time I die, that's 20 spots. Every single time I get a kill, that's 10 push-ups.
19 to us.
Do it 20.
I got a kill, so I did 10 push-ups. Oh no! Don't make my legs swell.
Oh,
Nice.
Miguel, get
13 more kills, 13 more kills. 12.
Oh. These guys are. These guys can't melee.
Okay, I'm the only one at spawn, so this time I'm good. Oh wait, never mind. There's another guy. Oh, was there?
Who is? Oh, it's Max.
Alright,
Okay.
push-ups.
Kill someone with your pistol, please.
Wait, is there one enemy OEL over there?
1, 2,
Oh,
3, 4,
it's new.
5,
Why is he using? Oh,
6, 7.
Fall back, ladies, and leave spawn.
10. Alright, done.
Don't
Zane,
leave spawn.
Zane, what is your average top frag?
I don't know.
Like if you got a lot of kills, you have like you're gonna
I'm
be
gonna do that from now on. I'm actually gonna do that from now on. Every single time I get a kill, I do 10 push-ups. Every single time I do, every single time I die, I do 10 squats.
Okay.
Imagine I go 2, gets 12 kills. That'd be like
Just don't rush their
120.
spawn anymore. Don't rush their spawn.
Every single time we get a win, I have to run 6 kilometers. For a fitness program, easy.
Don't shoot them. Don't shoot them for like 30 seconds. Don't give them silence for 1 minute. Give them silence for 1 minute. Go. We're gonna shoot at 11:30.
The Christmas
11 minutes and
truce.
30 seconds.
You gotta get
yeah.
them buys ready for Brian.
Alright, guys, hold fire, hold
Don't
fire,
shoot.
hold fire.
Yeah, don't shoot. Don't shoot. Don't shoot.
Okay,
Don't shoot.
okay,
Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Don't shoot.
Standard.
Yeah. What?
During this truce, can you
Zane,
actually explain to me how we lost 1 point?
Oh, French Town. Also, we can't see QB in French Town.
What is the
Zane.
French? Is that a new map?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's the new map. No, it has no points.
What
Zane,
the
Zane.
hell?
Zane,
Oh, yeah. But it's
Okay.
CQB, but
what do you see?
I guess we lost in melee.
Huh? Yo, whoa, what's up? What? That. Wait, who killed you? Who died? Who died? Who killed you? Who died?
Alright,
What?
Jagers, make ready. Make ready.
Who killed you? No. That was beside you. That was beside you. Who was beside you?
Jagers,
That
make
was
ready.
beside you.
2,
Present.
3,
Who died? Who died? Who
Four.
died? Who died?
5, me,
Fire.
6,
Who's at spawn? Who's at spawn? Who died?
Eight.
Who died
Eight.
next to that? Who died next to that?
9, 10, 11,
What the fuck?
12, 13,
It was behind at the rock, bro.
15.
They won't leave spawn because they know what happens.
No.
19, 20.
The 1 minute has
It was
ended.
exposed. Okay, never mind.
Alright, back to push-ups. Okay, 10 push-ups. Let's go. I've done 20 so far.
Get back to that rock. There's
30
like
times.
people on the left. Guys on the left. Guy on the left.
1, 2,
Have you guys did domination before?
4,
Yes.
5.
We won by 2 points. We clutched 2 points.
This is getting difficult. 8.
Are they gonna? You know what's dead? Come here. We're gonna push them.
Yeah, they won't
Go.
push. They know what happens.
Yep. Okay, I'll allow y'all to push their spawn. Just don't push alone. We're gonna push the right side.
Okay, I'm coming with you.
Okay, guys. I'm tired. 30 push-ups is quite a bunch of push-ups I've done. How much push-ups have you guys done?
Oh shit.
I don't know.
1 miss. There's 2 guys on the left side. Be careful.
God, I just traded.
Oh, you can, that's
One
actually
miss. Another one.
Erica, you should
Oh,
be like.
I got a new idea for kill trading. Okay,
Ah.
wait.
Erica,
Wait.
can I tell you a
This
story
just
of my
a joke,
friend?
but okay, so trade offer. If
So, Erica,
if the
So I've
AG
got a
wants
friend,
to kill me, they have to do something or buy something.
So,
You know.
I've
Like,
got a
kill
friend.
Trade.
She's a girl, right?
Mhm.
She is more swole than any of my friends that are dudes.
Let's kill him.
She's got more muscle than all of us. She's a bodybuilder.
I forgot to.
And
read
she.
Ooh, he missed.
Wait, what's it? Hey, yo, detective, what you doing here? Is this detective speaking? No.
Yes,
Detective, we
it's
can't hear
really
you.
quiet.
We can't hear you. Yeah, we can't hear you, detective.
I can hear him.
Oh, you. What? Hold on. Increase your volume.
Please, don't make me. Don't make me. Thank you. I don't want to do 20 more push.
Alright, there, bro. Can you hear me now?
Hi.
Make me your
Yeah, I
rifle.
can hear you now. I can hear you now.
Alright.
28, 24,
Fine,
bro.
okay. Hold on. Okay. 20. 1, 2,
Nice. Okay.
I'm carrying right now. Give me my Robux, man.
6, 7,
Carry.
8,
Lego game carry.
9.
I'm over here, AG.
Stop doing your push-ups and fucking.
I'm gonna get Mikkel's recording later, and then I count.
16.
Oh my
Don't die,
loyal.
bro.
Oh, it's one.
Alright, 20, 20
3
squats.
point-
Oh, 3 more kills.
3.3 more kills.
Oh, 2 more kills. 1 more kill.
It's technically
One.
2 more kills. Technically 2 more kills.
One.
Let me
Wow,
get.
let me get
Let
last
Flint
kill.
get last kill. Let Flint get last kill. Or not?
That's not
Alright.
last kill, I think. You need 2 more. Yeah,
Yeah,
need
we
that.
need 1 more.
Yeah, see.
One.
1 more.
One. Whoa.
GG.
One.
Did you?
Already
Oh, I
good.
got a collect. I got a collect.
He got Boba.
Did you?
I got a
Yes,
collect.
so many
GG.
negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5
Well,
negatives.
You
It's
have 12.
Dude, I got a collect.
Okay, Mikkel, scroll up and down. Check the leaderboard. Send me the recording later, and then I go check leaderboards later.
I've got to do 50 push-ups. I just got to collect.
Okay.
Okay.
Standard.
I'm gonna go VC. Hold on.
Standard.
Okay.
So what like trick that one TGL
One.
uses before so
Two.
they can hype up before?
3, 4,
So like this when
5,
Oh yeah,
okay,
oh
so
yeah.
when you crouch and then press K and then later. Not,
9.
not right now. Not right.
All right.
Why do
Alright.
I have
10.
Sapper?
And who gave it to you?